Hello everyone, welcome back to KhmerueTeams official channel. In this video tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to show image post on the main post, but hidden in the post. So this means I'm gonna show you, take you how to display the image in the front page, but it will be hidden in the post. So to do that, now I'm gonna show you an example just like this. Now you can see this image is already here, but when we are on this page, this means there is so nothing inside it. So this means we cannot see that, and this one also. Now you can see the image post is on the mains, but when someone else click inside this to see the post, the image will be hidden automatically, and you can see here it's nothing to see. So to do that, I have an example of the blogger here. So the first step that we're gonna do is with this blogger. So go to theme here, click on theme, and click on edit HTML. Click that. And this time we're gonna press Ctrl F to find the key that called B-skin like this. Okay, now press Ctrl C and pass Ctrl V here to search the B-skin here. So the next we're gonna copy all this code that I have put the link in my description below, and you can go ahead and go to that blogger and copy this link like this, and then pass it below this one. Okay, pass it below this, and then click on save. When you update already successfully, please go back, and this time you can now change every post that you want to show or hide depending on you. For example, now I'm gonna see this blog and the post here. Now I'm gonna click to view the bloggers, and you will see the main page is showing the image, and when someone else clicking on to see the post is still showing. But if you want to make it hidden, you just click on this place here, and you will see the HTML view like this. And this time for every post you need to see this inspector like this. So double click on that and replace with the keyword called hypertext, just like this. So now click on update, and now everything will be hidden here. So now I'm gonna refresh the page here. Now you can see it, the image is automatically hidden from the post. So this is the trick. So thank you guys for watching. And every image that you have been upload or from the area, you will see this keyword. So if you want to show, or if you don't want to show, is only change this keyword. So thank you for watching.